Hey guys, it's me, it's Kimberly. We're back with Romy and Grace. Hello. Today we're going to be doing the Fix My Slime Challenge. We already went ahead and did a 30-second timer and got our ingredients.
And glue in the bowl.
Yeah.
We don't have we have our mystery stuff right here.
Yeah, mine's behind me. Give me a hint. I'll give you a hint.
I'll give you a hint.
Okay, so I guess we're just going to add them now.
Well, we have to tell them what our ingredients are first.
Okay, so you go first.
I got dirt.
You're spilling dirt. Sorry. You got dirt in mine.
Oh well.
Oh,
Nail polish. And a lollipop.
my ingredients are chunky honey.
Ugh.
I know it went bad. Chocolate syrup.
And
Barbecue chips.
obviously, that's her favorite chips.
Romy's are.
I think I got the second most grossest, but I got jelly beans, pretzels, and Doritos. Ranch flavor.
So let's start adding.
Oh, we also have our paints here.
Can I
and
have
some
the blue
scents.
one?
Oh, no. We have to add these ingredients first.
Yeah. Wait, no. Wait, yeah.
Can I add mine?
Yeah, we're going to rotate this way.
I'm gonna. Okay.
No, we're going to rotate this way.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in some.
Dirt.
I'm gonna add in some.
No, this way. We're doing this way.
Wait, I already added my dirt though.
Okay.
Kim's turn. While she's doing that, Romy's turn.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut them up a little bit. So
This might take a while.
Oh, it's coming. There.
My dad.
Hi. Alright, Kim, I think that's enough, honey.
Yeah, that's enough.
okay, I'm still breaking them up.
So while she's doing that, I'm adding.
You know what? Screw it. Okay.
How am I gonna add this in?
And the honey's going to make it really sticky, so good luck to whoever gets this, which is Romy.
Yeah, because we figured out the way to do it, and I give mine to Kim. Kim gives yours to you. You give yours
Oh,
to
that's
me.
a pretty color though.
Okay, my next ingredient,
While I'm working on my nail polish.
chocolate syrup. And your last ingredient, I got it on me.
I'm not sure what this is gonna do to my slime, but just a test.
There.
There.
Oh, I smell the nail polish already.
I know, it smells bad.
I didn't get to try the other one.
Ew, look at the color of mine.
Look at the color of mine.
That looks like caramel.
Yours looks like Oreos.
Mine looks like food.
With glue in it.
Mine looks like
Okay, color.
I could eat this.
Let's show them the color, okay.
Mine's
Be careful.
Mine's
Don't let it run out of the
delicious.
bowl.
mine's not running. Mine's chunklicious. I have one
Looks
more
like
ingredient
Oreos.
to add.
I know, I said that.
I have one more ingredient to add.
Mine looks like stale milk and like pretzels and it looks like balm.
I wonder what it feels like because of the honey.
Oh wait, I have a better idea.
What?
How about Kim gives mine to me? I give mine to Romy, and Romy gives hers to Kim.
No, let's do it this way.
I don't want to have to fix that one. Here goes the
I
lollipop.
see you cheating. So my next ingredient, barbecue chips. That's my last ingredient.
And my lollipop is in the slime. Oh no!
Ew. You get that off.
Blah.
Mine is Doritos and this is so good to crunch up. Okay.
Everything's in my slime.
Mine's basically
So I'm gonna add in
food.
my color now, and I'm doing a little bit of both paint.
No. We don't add color. We just add a body.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you have to make actual slime with color in it.
No.
Yeah.
You give the.
Well, can we do it
as?
as a choice?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna do purple.
I'm gonna make mine pink. Do you have pink?
No, I don't have to.
I'm gonna make mine purple.
I'm gonna then do the orange because
I'm still crunching up chips.
Don't get the stuff on the carpet, guys.
Yeah.
Wipe it on the paper towel if you get it on your hand, not the carpet.
Yeah. I'm still crunching chips.
There you go, Kim. Here's the purple paint for when you're done.
Well, could I use the blue as well? So,
Yeah, that's what I did.
Is it gonna be super hard?
Kim, I have a lollipop in mine.
I put pretzels and ranch chips in mine.
So this is my color
I
now.
put honey, chunky honey in mine. Ew, you got dirt on me.
Ooh, sorry.
I've only made slime once in
Ew,
my life.
Okay, now we can add in some extra ingredients, just like normal slime ingredients.
Yeah.
That
I'm,
kind of stuff.
I'm making mine purple instead of this ugly brown.
So I'm adding
It's gonna
in
make
some
it
borax.
even uglier. But okay.
Ooh, that's a
I'm sorry, but I added a lot of purple.
That's fine.
I'm sorry. I just don't want it to be this ugly brown.
It's okay.
You guys just look so pretty. And look at mine.
Mine looks like my last night's nightmare.
Can you pass me the activator?
I wish we had see-through bowls.
Basil?
Oh, that's shaving cream.
Oh.
The activator's in the jar. Okay, guys, mine's just kind of ugly purple.
And
It's like vomit purple, actually.
I know.
it's maroon. It's not that bad.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Help yourself.
There's my activator.
Help yourself with soda if you want to. On the door.
There's my
We
activator.
also have orange juice and apple
Kim,
juice. Yeah,
guys, I'm gonna pick you up and show you how much activator's in my bowl.
I'm not making mine slime.
I'm picking you guys up to show you how much activator is in my bowl. Look. Yeah. That's all activator
I'm adding a
in
lot.
my
I'm adding a
bowl.
lot to mine too. So
I
good
got
luck.
so much lipstick on this.
Ooh.
And now I'm gonna put
Yay,
in.
I'm out of the picture now.
Now I'm putting in lavender.
Hey, move the camera.
Oop, my bad. Now I'm putting in lavender scent, and if we had smell-o-vision, you guys would probably plug your nose. Whew. Whoa, that was a lot.
Look at mine.
That was a lot.
Look at my app. Look at mine.
Oh, I can smell it.
Look at Romy.
Ooh,
The
where's your-
top layer is all my activator and my scent.
Oh, sweet orange.
Look.
Romy, look. This is my slime.
Oh my,
And this is how much
wow.
activator's left.
That just
I know,
completely
right?
just discarded it.
Mine's nothing but soupy mess.
Look at mine, Kim.
But it's gonna smell like oranges. Ew.
Romy, look at mine.
Mine isn't even activating. Smells like oranges.
I feel
though.
bad for Romy because you have to activate that.
No, it is activated.
No, this. You have to activate mine.
This is what mine looks like.
But you can add more glue, remember?
Yeah. Oops. That's what mine looks like.
Mine is soupy.
Here, I'll take you around and show you all the slimes. That's Kim's. That's Romy's.
Mine is so soupy.
Wait, continue. That's Kim's. Romy's.
Mine's not even.
I have so much pain on this one.
Mine doesn't even feel like slime. It doesn't. It's not even that thick.
Mine is just disgusting.
Keep that at camera angle.
I'm just gonna keep like
I'm gonna add
moving it around
I'm
in
gonna
the
add.
slime.
I'm gonna add a lot of shaving cream.
I'm gonna keep moving it around in my act. Wait, Kim, that's a lot more than the size of the container.
Oh well. I can just split it up and take
YOLO.
I can throw some away.
You can also put some in bags. Can I have the paper towel? Ew, 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 ew.
Why did you touch? Yours looks like Oreo slime.
Yes, but purple.
Mine.
Oh, can I?
Hey! Hey! That was mine.
I like to feel shaving cream too, Romy.
That looks like whipped cream.
Oh. You have to shake it.
Yeah.
Ew! Ew, 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 ew. This is definitely too much shaving cream. Not enough glue.
put some more glue in there.
No, you guys have to fix it.
I'm putting in a mountain of shaving cream and not even mixing it in.
This needs definite borax.
And hand sanitizer. Stop giving me clues.
I don't even know how to make slime. I only put in glue and tie dye, and then that's all. Well, tie.
Oh, it's hard as a rock.
I think I'm out of hand sanitizer.
I just use quite a bit. Mine's hard as a rock. Listen. Alright guys, listen to this. Half of this is shaving cream, half of it's my slime.
I added more shaving cream than I did glue.
This is my slime. And Kim, you'll have to find the lollipop. Sorry.
Ooh, okay guys, it's not slime, but it's such a pretty color now.
So I think I'm gonna
It
add
looks
in-
like lavender.
I know, it's really bubbly though.
I think
You're
I'm
gonna really have to fix this. Well, it's sort of like
You're adding more dirt? Ew.
Yeah. How am I even gonna mix this in? I can't mix it in. There.
I'm gonna add some water.
oh dang, that's a lot.
Oh,
I just saved your spoon and risked my hand. Now my hand's gonna be super sticky because you didn't.
Good luck.
Well, it's better than something like
Good
really
luck.
sticky.
It looks like Oreos. I actually want to fix that.
Yeah.
I'm
Ooh.
gonna add some
Good luck, Grace.
I think I might just have to go in hands. With my hands.
No, you don't have to.
You can hear the jelly beans.
I'm thinking about something, but it might ruin
I'm
my
done.
slime even worse than it is, and that's kind of a good thing, right? But would it be cheating?
Why are you
If I add
making
in
it worse
deodorant.
for me again?
Because I can.
Okay.
You should be thankful. It's making it stick together more. Kind of like an activator.
I need to wash my hands. It's so disgusting.
No! Then you'll just have to wash them again.
Huh?
Then you'll just have to wash them again.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. I don't even know. I'm gonna add some purple coloring.
So guys, I just put in a chunk of deodorant.
Is that orange scented?
No.
I wish you had Oreo scent.
They can't. Please,
you
no more
attacked
paint.
No more paint.
These are 50 cents. So
No more paint for me.
no more paint for anyone,
Don't worry, I just added.
unless you're fixing my mess.
Yeah, that needs.
Oh, Romy,
color.
I just put in 2 chunks of deodorant, by the way.
You should add 7 up here, but you can't because you're not green.
I know.
Show it to him. She's wearing lipstick.
Her soda can is like pinkish red now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Romy, I think I'm ready to hand it over.
Oh.
Good luck.
I'm gonna add a lot of flour.
It's not even slime.
Oh, here you go, Kim.
Here you go.
Don't forget about the deodorant in there. And a bunch of shaving cream, and my actual slime is right there.
Yeah.
Romy, did you add activator to this?
Yes, I did.
I found the lollipop.
This is Romy slime. It definitely needs fixing. So what I'm going to do is skip the fork. Bye-bye, Kim. Wait, we need a bag, Kim, to put the stuff in. The gross stuff in.
Like, we're not gonna keep this, right?
Ew, this,
You
the
can.
barbecue stuff.
I can if it turns out good.
I don't want.
Kim, can you get us bags so we can throw away the bad stuff?
No. Whatever's in there has to stay in there.
No, it doesn't. You have to fix it. Meaning, you can take the bad stuff out.
No, you can't.
I don't know how to do this. Like, can I add some butter?
Ew, what is that?
Oh, that's my actual slime with all my dirt. And deodorant.
Okay. I don't even know how to fix this.
I don't know how to fix this. What does it need?
I don't know. I don't know what yours needs. I think yours needs activator.
Kim, I activated a ton. Just keep mixing.
Oh yeah. I think yours needs like glue or something.
Romy, can you pass me the glue?
Disgusting.
Romy, I can't touch the glue. Can you give me some? Can you
Yeah,
pass it
I'd
in my
like to
bowl?
have some as well.
Glue and glue.
Got glue.
Glue. Tell me when.
That's good. That was
Tell
probably
me
a little
when.
bit more than I needed.
That's it.
Oh, this is already working, guys. It's already starting to come off. That's good.
Oh yes.
Just so you know, we will have to throw away the slimes that have food ingredients in it because it'll go bad. But mine will be fine because we can remove my lollipop. So mine will be fine.
Okay.
But we have to throw away your guys's because it has food ingredients in it.
No, they won't. As long as we keep them in a tight container. And besides, they're surrounded in glue.
Yeah. This is gross. Hey Kim, I think I need some more glue.
Don't look at me. I'm just mixing.
Please. Romy, can you hear me some more glue? I think I can touch the container now.
It looks so gross.
Well, it looks like Oreos from back here. So.
I know it looks a lot like Oreo.
And I put
But it
two
feels
pinks
really
in there.
bad.
Mm-hmm. There's a lollipop in there. You know what? I'm gonna take.
You can take the lollipop out. We can remove stuff from it, Kim. You just can't.
I can't.
How much glue do you have on you?
I can't find the lollipop.
Mm.
Would you stop putting it in front of the camera?
Sorry.
I found the lollipop.
Time to throw it away. The only major bad thing I put in there was
Make
dirt.
this thicker.
Thicker? I think activated.
What, is
No,
this
shaving
activated?
cream.
No.
No, shaving cream makes slime
No,
thicker.
not water. Water makes it borax. That's the activated.
Wait, no, you'll want straight borax for that. You need the powerful stuff, Romy.
Okay. Could you just dump that in? Okay.
Oh, no, not all of it. This stuff will overactivate in a heartbeat. Ready? Just add in a couple pinches. Oh, just so you know, I add some of it to that slime, so it's kind of... That should be good for right now. And Romy, you can add in as much as you need to, so I'm going to leave that over there for her.
Oh yeah, it's thickening.
See? You need the straight borax.
Not the weak mixing borax.
And we can remove stuff from slime. Just so you
I
know.
feel chunks of dirt everywhere.
So I'm going to start
Are
pulling
you
stuff
sure
out.
this dirt you got doesn't have worms in it?
Yes. I didn't dig it up. It's planting dirt.
Are you sure
Yeah,
about
and they-
that?
Yes.
Dog.
I feel actually sad for the worms if they were.
I know.
I feel like I murdered someone.
I know.
Yeah.
What is that? Pretzel. No, this.
Dirt. So I forgot to mention,
Oh,
since that's
wow.
planting dirt, it has bits of sticks in it.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh.
See what I mean, Romy? That stuff helps a lot.
Why?
Oh, that's pretty deodorant.
Okay.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay.
Did you have blue coloring to this?
That's nail polish.
Oh yes.
I don't think I can fix this.
Could
The
you
nail
guys-
polish is like a super activator.
Uh-huh.
Ew.
Test it?
No.
I should have added nail polish to mine.
So I think this is working out. I just need to take some stuff out of it.
Darn stick. Ah, this is deodorant.
All the pretzels are getting soggy, so it's harder to take out.
Ew.
The jelly beans just didn't stick in the slime, so it's all at the bottom of the bowl.
August 31st.
Could you guys add a little bit more borax to mine?
Kim, you have to clean this hand. Fine. No, straight. Borax.
Oh, right.
My stuff.
That
The just in case stuff.
Ew, I got a bit of your slime on my hand. I'm taking out that nail polish.
Ooh.
Found a bit
The
of
slime stinks.
I
Oh,
found
I smell.
It's
It smells.
working.
Your slime smells like gingerbread. Smell it. It smells like gingerbread.
Ew, I can smell the pretzels.
It doesn't smell good.
I find it smells.
I found more deodorant.
Oh yeah, I put 2 chunks in there, so it might have broken apart. So you might be finding it all day.
Okay, yours is turning into slime.
Mine?
No, mine. So yours is turning into slime, Romy. See? See,
How's
Romy?
mine?
Mine
doing?
is like. well, I'm
This is yours,
slowly
Romy.
getting there.
Okay.
See, I'm like. Don't
I
know what I'm
need
doing.
to add a scent.
Is-
Peppermint's the only scent that will be strong enough to overpower the smell of the pretzels.
Yours is not very stretchy.
Oh, I can still see. Oh, it smells like my deodorant though.
I want mine to smell like
Peppermint.
Oh, do you want me to get you some borax?
Yeah. No.
I'm
Like,
putting peppermint in this
Cream.
one.
Really, it'll underactivated.
huh?
No, it won't underactivate it. It'll stick in it. I had to put peppermint in because it was the only
Tell
scent.
me when.
Now.
Kim, you didn't shake it.
I know. No, I did.
Kim, I had to put peppermint in because it's the only scent that could overpower the gingerbread smell.
Ugh. Ew. I put it in the bowl and the whole bunch
Yes,
it's thickening down there.
Smell this, show me. Smell it now.
What do you smell?
She doesn't like smell peppermint.
I hate peppermint in general. I don't even have peppermint toothpaste. Parents, am I right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, just put your gross ingredients in your bowl and don't put your slime back in your bowl.
Well,
Once you can get it out, Romy.
Yeah.
No, all this. These chips are dissolved into this. Well, like I feel the flakes, but like I can't get it out.
Ew. That's gross. One more.
Yeah, your pretzels aren't coming out, Romy. And just so you know, we do trade back slimes just to feel them at the end, see who did a good job.
Oh, I failed then.
Kim,
Yeah, I
how?
think
Ooh, ew.
I think I just one of them.
My slime does not feel good. I just touched it.
It's okay. There's chunks
I'm adding
of-
shaving cream
There's
in.
chunks of anything in here.
Hopefully the shaving cream will dilute the feeling of the pretzels. I hope. Oh, I forgot there's Doritos nacho chips in there too. That's probably what was making it smell so bad. The nacho chips and pretzels. I mean, not the nacho chips, the ranch chips. It's so fluffer.
Why would they add sticks to dirt?
It's planting dirt.
Yeah, it's for well, it's
Planting.
good compost, and I'm gonna wash my hands now because I've given up.
No, don't give up.
You can't give up.
You gotta keep going until
No, I'm a surrenderer.
never.
Kim, you might want to put some more activator in, promise.
Can I have?
You have the
some
cleanest
more
hands. I put some.
for borax.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is just like.
dumps the whole thing in.
Yeah.
Oh,
Peppermint.
essential oil.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's sticky.
It's turning into slime.
Just so you know, that stuff will overactivate it really fast.
I know what I thought she needed it. It's slime.
You might have to take some of that out and then rinse out the bowl and then put it back in.
Yeah.
Just to
Oh
fix
my
it.
god, this is
Told you.
I know, right?
it's just.
I told you that
dissolving
stuff
now.
will darn it. Activate it in a heartbeat.
Ugh.
Don't forget, I put a bunch of stuff in there. A ton of shaving cream.
Yeah.
Ton of activator.
Yeah, I just literally didn't care how much activator I put in. I just went dump. I would have put the whole thing
Could
in
you
if
put some more
Mm.
basil shaving
This
cream
is not stretchy at all.
in? Like just a spray until like the hearts just get out. That's not like very enthusiastic.
Guys, this is what
Okay, that's enough.
the slime Romy made looks like, how it's looking so far. This is how yours is looking so far, Romy. Doesn't look that bad.
I want mine to be activated.
Kim, this is how Romy's looks so far.
Grace's looks like an actual Oreo.
Yeah, only it's all mixed together and turning gray.
Yeah. Before it looked like an Oreo.
Yeah. It did. Ew. Can you just like?
Oh.
Pretzel.
Okay. I need some. Come on, quick.
I'm going.
Okay, now that this is all like slimified, I'm putting lotion in to make it stretchy. And I just put it back in my bowl.
And I put water on it.
There, I just
This
put
is turning
a
like
bunch
slime.
of lotion in my.
Some more. Did you put some more in mine?
Of course. Ready?
I didn't think we'd run out of activator.
Yay!
I didn't think
Okay,
I'd run
that's
out of that.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh my goodness, it's working like crazy. Oh.
You might have to add in some lotion.
Yeah,
Wait,
wait.
I'm knitting it now.
Kneading. There's bits of dirt that keep falling out now and then.
I still feel all the pretzels in this. The chips dissolve.
Listen to this.
Listen to this. And you have to make it the best slime you can.
Yeah, yes. The winner.
I can't smell it now.
This is so fluffy. Oh my
Mommy, smell it now. There's no peppermint left.
It smells like pretzels now.
Again.
This one smells like that lavender.
Oh yeah, because I put in a ton of lavender scent.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh, she actually picked it up this time, Kim. Look.
Nice. Okay, who's ready?
Wait,
Not yet.
Pour
No,
the
we aren't
lid.
ready. We're not ready.
The lid.
We're not ready. The what? No, not yet.
Oh,
I
so
still have to
happy
have.
about
Do you
this.
have any like a
But
big
it's like
bottle
the
of
fluffy
lotion?
kind of stuff.
Because I only have a little bit left.
Oh, I have.
Oh, can I use it? Yeah. Thank you. I'll try not to use it all.
You're fine. I don't like lotion.
Oh, you don't? I'll take it home then.
No, I want to use it for slime. Ow.
Want me to open it?
No, I got it.
Dad! Romy, look. Dad, 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 dad.
I would have done like that one.
No,
Oh my
nothing on
goodness,
it.
look!
Ah, looks good. Yeah. My bowl's still a
Looks
mess.
like a fluffy purple cloud of squishiness.
What's this lotion smell like anyways? Oh, shea butter. Okay, that's good, Kim. This is like the perfect lotion for slime. I can feel it helping it already. It's already getting stretched.
This one's way overactive. I think I need more glue, but I don't want to mess up my hands.
Add lotion. That's all I have to say. I did put a big squirt shade of hand sanitizer in that too.
I know. He took all of it. Now I'm out. Wait, I have a little bit left. Where did you put the... Oh, it's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, please
I
open this
sh-
for me.
Oh, wow. Hold on. Hold on, I got it. Stop messing up the lid. Ew. Romy!
It's your slime.
Dad!
It's your slime. If you didn't do that, Romy, that would have never happened. Right, Romy?
Yes, this would have still been a liquid. Oh, this is so cloudy and fluffy.
Don't
I think
swear.
you put too much shaving cream in.
Don't swear in this video. Sorry about that. We can't bleep it though.
She didn't swear.
I thought she was the F word.
No. She said it's so cloudy and foamy.
Oh. Sticks.
You gotta add in there.
Why sticks? Sticks.
So that's our pile of stuff we took out. Romy didn't take it.
I need more borax now.
Do you want some of the strong stuff?
Yeah.
Give her some strong stuff.
Again.
You need a lot of bread.
Well, okay. Oh, you gave me a bit too much, but alright.
Romy will definitely need more glue after that.
Oh my goodness! Yes, I need more glue.
Hold on.
I can't help you there.
Neither can I.
Okay, man.
No, I can't. See?
Look at my hands, Kim.
Look
Look
at
at
my
Romy's
hands.
hands. Kim,
Yeah.
give Romy some glue, please.
Oh, well, mix it.
Fine, then I'll wash my hands.
Yay, thank you. I have
Then you're stuck.
Ew.
No, this one.
That I think that one feels the best.
Right. Ew.
No.
I didn't stay over there long.
I'm in mood for sweet frog.
What?
I'm in the mood for some sweet frog.
Romeo, fuel your slime that I fixed so far. Fuel my slime that Kim fixed so far. And your slime feels the worst, honestly. It does.
This is like
Be quiet. I'm adding glue.
But Kim says mine feels the best.
Yeah, I think it does. Yours is the fluffiest.
I am the.
Mine is just
So I'm adding in some more paint
yeah.
because the fluffy, the shaving cream, like Kim, you have your own slime to fix.
See.
That's not gonna come off until you put your Yeah, don't. If you get the stuff straight on your hand, it will stain. Forgot to mention that.
Can we throw this out then?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
No.
You have to try and fix it the best you can.
This is the best I can.
No, you can have more activator.
I don't think it needs more activator, Kim. It needs more glue. Just like push it all together. Just try to at least. Try and make like a bonding of it.
Do you want to switch to fixing?
No.
You can't fix your own slime, Kim.
I know, but she wants to give up for some reason. You have to hurry up.
The glue bottle is blocking me. I feel rejected.
Oh yeah, we do kind of have to hurry up, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna
Just add in a couple more
Done.
ingredients.
We're gonna come back.
It's finished. It's fabulous than ever.
We're gonna come back when we're all done with our slime. All of us.
Did you actually fix it?
Back.
Okay. So we are ready for the lid. And we have to do an Instagram swirl, just so you know. Do you know how to do one, Kim? Yeah.
No, music from Instagram and all that could be copyrighted.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Okay, so everyone put your slime on.
It's not gonna even hear it.
Everyone put your slime on the lid. It's a bouncy ball. No, Romy, no, don't. Romy, just leave it in the bowl.
No, it's like.
Yeah.
Mine's the biggest.
Okay, guys, I think I'll go first. I'll show you guys how to do an Instagram slime swirl.
No. I'm still picking out bits of deodorant from hers.
I'm still picking out pretzels from Romy's.
I'm doing nothing.
There's my swirl. Super pretty. Okay, guys, time for the clicky test. So I'll go first. Alright, Kim, your turn for the clicky test. It's just like shrinking back in to its original form.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, there is a slight sound. Romy, it's your turn. Do the clicky test. Alright, now for the bubble test.
Mine would not make a bubble.
Mine probably won't either because the pretzels, but there. Oh, I got one.
No.
I won the clicky test though.
No.
Brace it. Hers is left. Hers is better.
Mine still stinks. Every time I put new scent in here, it smells good for a minute. And then it goes back to stinking. Thanks, Romy. That's the super strong lavender, by the way. So, this is my slime. Do the drop test, see if it bounces.
Oh, okay.
I'm still trying to make it big enough for a bubble. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Let's see if Kim's bounces.
Mine does. Wait, let me get into a ball.
Mine kind of does, but I'm supposed to do that.
Oh, a piece of bark just flew.
Ew.
Wait,
Okay,
I'm
so
doing it.
if you guys know how to fix this slime, comment down below. If you can fix Romy's slime, comment down below.
No, it's fabulous. You don't need to fix it. You don't need to fix it.
It doesn't even stretch and ew.
Yeah, it's just ew.
Okay,
That sums up your slime. Ew. If we
whoever thinks Romy slime is the worst, thumbs up this video.
if we could pick the pretzel bits out of this,
Okay, so yeah. Comment down below who do you think won this challenge? Me, Kim, or Romy? And I think we all know the real winner here.
I really like the slime though.
See, I was the creator of that slime.
If you didn't put pretzels in it, would have been perfect.
Well, what else would I put in?
I don't know.
The jelly beans were the easiest because they didn't even stick in the slime. Because how smooth they are, they just went to the bottom. So my slime's all packaged up. Romy.
No, copyright, don't copyright strike us.
Romy,
It's on phone.
just put your slime in a baggie and not a container.
How?
There's plastic baggies over there.
How? Where? Can you
Right
get
over
one
there.
for me?
No, I'm talking over this so he doesn't copyright strike us, so he's on YouTube.
Doesn't want to go.
Yes, it does. One time a YouTuber got copyrighted for music in a video game.
But I'm not doing the actual music. How do I put that in there?
By opening it.
We're having some problems with how Romy's gonna package her slime. We
Yeah.
decided we're not gonna waste a container. We're just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag.
With the fork.
Just leave the fork in.
Yeah.
We'll probably never play with that slime until
Okay.
you guys comment how to fix it. So if you think Romy's slime is the worst, leave a thumbs up. If you think this slime's the worst, leave a thumbs up. And comment down below who do you think won? Brother?
Yeah.
My slime's the only one we're gonna keep.
Yeah.
And Romy's, just in case you guys comment down below.
Okay,
So if we check the comments, yeah.
Guys.
Kim. Type your name in.
Look at it.
Hey. Alright, well. 3, 2, 1, outro.
Okay. So like, comment, subscribe, share, blah,
Blah, blah, blah, blah. Bye.